Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new haul video. It's been so long that I haven't done any haul videos. So today I finally have just few things, not a lot of things. I have the new Huda Beauty Haze eyeshadow palettes, and I have a couple of things from Sephora because there was Sephora sale and I was getting 15% discount, so I just got few things. I think there are just 5 or 4 things, so we actually have that. I think firstly we will start with the Sephora one because why not, and I have got the new Makeup Forever lipsticks as well, so we actually have that. Today just a quick haul video before I start reviewing things. So if you are new here to my channel, my name is Sharmin. I do makeup related videos, tutorials, reviews, informative videos. So if you come across my channel, do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I am uploading a video. The link to my Instagram is also there in the description below. If you want, you can check it out. Yeah guys, please do subscribe to my channel because it really helps me a lot. And anyways, without wasting time, let's get into the video. And my hair has got oily just in 2 hours because it is so hot. I really don't know whether I'm liking the lip gloss that I'm wearing. Anyways, firstly we will actually start with the Sephora one because I just have few of them. I actually haven't even opened the packaging. So firstly, going on to my favorite face wash. This is the Origins Checks and Balances Frothy face wash, and this was I think for around 85 or 90 dirhams, and I usually use this in morning because I really like it because it is so good. It really refreshes your mind and it is actually pretty good. You don't really need a ton to wash your face. You just need just a little bit and it really lathers up a lot, and the skin actually feels really good. It is not actually for removing makeup, it is just purely to just wash your face. So I really like it a lot, and the one that I am using, it will just get over in maybe few weeks, so I just wanted to get a backup of it. So the face wash is actually for 95 dirhams and I got it for 15% off. So that is what we have. I just wanted to buy a backup of it because I usually buy this when there is discount. Even 15% discount is good, so we actually have that. Then I wanted to actually buy this primer from so long, but I always used to just put it in my cart and remove it. I was getting a discount, so I thought I'm gonna buy it. So this is the Tarte Smoothing Primer and it is for 170 dirhams. So you actually have this, and this is more of a pore filling one. It is just specifically for that, so I really wanted to try this out because I usually don't apply a lot of primers. I wanted specifically this one because it really helps in filling in your pores. So we actually have that. You have a huge tub and from inside it looks like this. So I really wanted to buy this since a very long time, so I finally got it. So now we'll actually use this later on in some video and we'll see how it works. I hope it works really well. We actually have that for the second thing, and now I have these new Makeup Forever lipsticks. These are the new lipsticks, so I got 3 shades because the shade range was really pretty and I got some really good shades. So these are the Makeup Forever Rouge Artist Intense Color Beautifying Lipstick, and I got 3 shades and these are for 99 dirhams each and I got it for 15% off. So I got, they have so many shades: pinks, mauves, nudes, purple, oranges, and I really wanted to buy a good orange color, so I got these 3 shades actually. These are the Makeup Forever Rouge Artist lipsticks and I got these 3 shades, and it's nice that they have the color coding on the back of the packaging, and the packaging is actually really nice. So I got 3 shades, which is 304 Stylish Lychee, 310 Cool Papaya, and 104 Bold Cinnamon. So I got 3 shades, so I'll quickly just show you all the 3. So firstly, the packaging is like this. It is actually really nice. You get the color coding of the lipstick at the bottom, so that is nice. So this is the shade 104 Bold Cinnamon. So this is how it looks, and this is the shade. I mean, it is actually really pretty. So I honestly I didn't even see what type of lipstick it is, but it is not like a matte lipstick. It has the color intensity of a matte with the luminosity of a creamy hydrating lipstick. Best of both satin and matte formula in one lipstick for an ultimate color impact and beautiful lips in just one swipe. Makeup Forever is ready to rock you with the new Rouge Artist, the first lip brush inspired lipstick. So it has like a beautiful formula with a unique ideal blur finish right in between creamy and white, exquisite glide-in comfortable texture with moisturizing effect for 24 hours, and it is highly pigmented, long lasting, and they are available in 60 shades. So I mean the shade range is so good. 60 is like a lot. So this is the first shade, 104 Bold Cinnamon. I mean, I really don't know why my camera is like not focusing. So we actually have that, and please ignore my like foundation, it's like too deep for me. This is how it looks. Wow, feels really nice. I mean, it really swatched like really well, and that is a really nice pretty color. So we actually have that for the first shade, and I really like the packaging. The packaging is like really pretty. Then second we have Stylish Lychee, which is like this nice pretty color. So this is the packaging, and from inside it looks like this. Really nice pretty color. That is actually really nice, and it feels like they are like the blurring ones. I'm actually like really interested in the third shade because I mean they had like beautiful range of orange colors. So thirdly so the third one is 310 Cool Papaya. So this is how it looks. I had like a really good variety of orange colors, and this is the third one, which is Cool Papaya. Wow, that is actually really nice. That is really stunning. That is actually really pretty. So these are all the things that I actually got from like Sephora. I actually didn't buy like a lot of things because I was actually waiting for the Fenty Beauty one and new lip glosses and lip paint scent, but I don't know, they are not like available on Sephora Middle East website or their app. I'm not sure whether they are released in store, but online they are like not released, and I really want to buy that. So I thought the sale was like from 14th to 16th or like from 13th to 16th, and it was gonna release on 14th, and the Huda Beauty one was gonna release on 15th I think, but they were not like available, so I couldn't actually purchase those. So I'm not sure whether they are available or not. So if you actually know whether they are available in store, please do let me know, because I haven't like gone to Sephora store in like months. Actually usually don't go to their stores. Anyways, I actually wanted to buy the Huda Beauty Haze palettes as well from Sephora. The day it released, I mean I was waiting like for night. I don't really know why was I waiting, but I was like waiting till night to order those, and the haze, khaki haze, like got out of stock, and I wanted to buy all the three at once. So then I actually got it from like Huda Beauty website, and I got there also like 15% off. I really don't know whether on their website they had like 15% off, but I had got an email to like you can activate 15% off. So I got all the three palettes and I got it for 15% off. So we actually have that from Huda Beauty. And actually like from Sephora, I really don't know, but I got this Urban Decay makeup sponge. I didn't order this, I got it free or what, because I mean I have like the samples, but I didn't order this. But anyways, I got this, so that's that. Now going on to the Huda Beauty one, I really like this packaging because I mean it's a bubble wrap and it is like a bag, so you can like store a lot of things, and I usually save these because it's actually really good enough. So we actually have like all the three palettes, and I got the Huda Beauty mascara sample as well, and that is what is on my eyes. I mean I have to like use it like a couple of more times to like see how it really works. Anyway, so we actually have that. Now going on to all the three palettes, I actually got these, and she has come out with actually a liquid matte lipstick set as well, but I didn't get that because they were like too deep for my liking. Anyways, going on to the eyeshadow palettes, I got all the three eyeshadow palettes. I mean, this is something different. I mean, purple, she comes out with purple palettes I think like all the time, but the khaki one is a bit different what she usually comes out, and I think because of that it's kind of out of stock. Like, it's getting out of stock. Specifically the khaki one is getting like out of stock. So anyways, we have the Sand Haze Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and these are for like I think $27. I think for like $27, and on Sephora you get it for like 129 dirhams or for 15% off. So firstly we have the Sand Haze Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I'm going to do a complete review on this, and I'm gonna shoot this tomorrow. That video will be up on Monday. We have this Sand Haze eyeshadow palette. I am really not sure why my camera is like not focusing. So we actually have this, and honestly I love this type of a packaging from her. It's really nice. From inside it kind of looks like this. I somehow it feels like the nude palettes, mini nude palettes. It looks similar to that, but let's see, we'll try these out. And yeah, I love this compact packaging, and I really love this plastic kind, and really nice. I mean, the mini nude palettes were like one of my favorite. Even the packaging, the pastel packaging was not even the packaging was good, and the palette also was really not good, but this is actually really pretty. So we will be trying this out again, and I'm not gonna swatch any of these. The swatches and tutorial, everything will be in the review video, so that will be coming this Monday. Then next we have the Purple Haze eyeshadow palette. I'm not a big fan of purple. I mean, it would be of no use if I just like review one product. Going on to the Purple Haze, this is how the packaging looks, and from inside it looks like this. Really nice, pretty colors. Actually, this color is actually really nice, and I don't really know about these two colors. So anyways, we'll try it in a video and see how it works. So we actually have that for Purple Haze. I'm actually like waiting for the bigger palette that whenever she's gonna release, maybe because she usually like releases one big palette in 1 year. So let's see. So going on to the next one, which is the Khaki Haze Huda Beauty palette, and I think these are like out of stock. So these are the Khaki Haze eyeshadow palette, and I really liked it because it is really different from what because she usually like comes out with purples and coppery, brownie, and warm shadows. I mean, this is also kind of warm, but I mean it has beautiful khaki shades, and the shimmers and metallics look really pretty, and really love these shades. So we will be actually trying these. So these three are all from Huda Beauty, and I got it from the website, and I got it within like I think 3 or 4 days. Actually all for the haul. I didn't actually purchase like a lot of things. I was waiting to buy the Natasha Denona new not the mini one, the big glam palette, but I don't know when also that is gonna be releasing here. Again, like things are like not releasing on time, so I'm not sure, but I really want to buy that. I really hope that it would be like releasing before the sale so I could like purchase it, but anyways, whenever that will be available, I'm gonna buy that. But the review on the Huda Beauty Haze palettes will be up really soon on coming Monday. Tomorrow I'm gonna shoot that, and the lipsticks also will be trying in a new video. Let me know if you know whether the Fenty Beauty lip gloss set and the mini liquid lipstick set is available online, not online actually, in store. So if you know, please do let me know in the comment section so I can like go and purchase those, because I really want to buy that. So anyways guys, this was actually all for today's video. I didn't actually have a lot of things, but just wanted to quickly show you what all things I got. Do let me know in the comments below what videos you want to see in coming months as well. So anyways guys, this was actually all for today's video. I have said this like 10 times, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.